So hey guys, welcome to my new vlog. My name is Azmi Ashik and you are watching AS Fitbar. That is my YouTube ID that you know. Yes. So today's our interesting topic is rocks and minerals part 2. So let's start. Our planet is mostly made of solid rock. Is what gives Earth features. Mountains, canyons, and plains. Minerals are building blocks of every type of rock. Most of Earth's rocks are hidden under a layer of soil. An inland escape features such as mountains, canyons, many through a variety processes. These include volcanic activity which creates rocks or near the surface of the formation of sediments, places like brought about by heat and pressure deep within planet. These processes are linked in a never-ending cycle known as rock cycle. Yes, so ash cloud, ash cloud. When the volcano burst, you see ash cloud. But near that, you can see something like Himalayas, I have told you. On that upside, there is preparation cloud, means snow and rain feed glaciers and streams which erode rocks. Yes. Now, weathering. Rain, wind, frost, chemicals, heat and living things, all heat and living things break down rocks. Now transport. Streams and winds carry particles away from weathered rock. Now river erosion. Rivers contribute greatly to the removal of rock fragments created by weathering. Coastal dispersion. Rocks particles are transported by river, then settle as sand, mud, or pebbles on the coast. Yes. Now, marine sedimentation. Tiny rock particles carried into the sea by at the bottom of the sea. Sediment, a layer of fine particles of sand or silt disposed into the seabed or at the bottom of the lake. Now, sedimentary rock is what? This, like waterfall, but it's downsides, like lake. Yes. Now, subduction means under the volcano dirt. It's like this. Okay, so here our topic ends over here. So bye guys, take care. Like my channel, subscribe and press the bell icon. Comment. Yes, what is your question? So bye.